Alright, I want to get help answering this question using Quinten's point system. Is that a better way of deciding who gets into the texting team? And that's where he gives the winner for each event, that's like the hurdles or the marathon or the sprint, 5 points. Second place person gets 4 points. Third place gets 3 points, etc. So how can you use Excel to do that? Here's all my data. How can I use that to help me answer this question? Well, first of all, I'm just going to copy out the names 3 times. I'm going to copy the sprint data in here. Copy the marathon data, put it in here. And I'm just going Control-C, Control-V for all of these. And now I want to just rank these. So if I rank that, let's just go to here, rank it by the second column, which is where the numbers are. And you can see here that takes it from the fastest, which was Tolene at 4, down to the slowest there. So I need to do that to all of the columns. Sort. The second column, column L. Okay, there's the fastest time there. And then rank this one. Sort that. Column O, that one, fastest time. Okay, so this one here gets column there. This one gets 5 points, 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point. Okay, so copy that. Those are the fastest 5 and fastest times, so you get those points. I'm just going to centralize those numbers. Okay, so these are the people that get the points. I'm just going to copy that and put it onto a new sheet so we've got a little bit more room. Slide that across. So you can see here some people are getting double points, like Tolene gets 5 points there. This is her time, remember, she gets 5 points, and she also gets 3 points for this race. So we don't actually need what their times were, so I'm going to delete their times. Delete the times. And delete the times. And I'm just going to cut and paste all into one column. These people and their points. Okay, so column B is the points, that's the name. I'm now going to highlight and go to data, sort by column A, because I want to put the names in alphabetical order. The times, okay? So I can see Mary here, she's got 10 points. Get rid of that. Me, got 7 points. Siri, got 5 points. Tariq, got 6 points. Tolene, 8 points. Now, I could get rid of the names, but if I just sort it again, it's going to put all of those people with points at the top in order. Actually, let's go with just a small list. Okay, and there we go, we've been able to sort it.